Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to schedule Zeely ads, so your campaigns run automatically at the times you want without needing daily manual adjustments. First, start by logging into your Zeely account and accessing your dashboard. If you don't have an active campaign, click on Create Campaign to set one up. Fill in all the basic details like campaign name, target audience, and add content before moving on to the scheduling options. Once your campaign is ready or selected, look for the Schedule or Campaign Timing section in the campaign settings. This is where you control when your ads will be active. Begin by setting a start date and an end date for your campaign to define its overall duration. Next, dive deeper into the daily scheduling options. Zeely allows you to choose specific days of the week for your ads to run. For example, you can select weekdays only or weekends, depending on when your target audience is most likely to engage. You can also customize the exact hours within those days. This means you can set your ads to run only during peak engagement times, such as AM to PM, or any other time frame you prefer. If you want the same schedule every day, Zeely lets you apply those hours across all selected days. Alternatively, you can create a unique schedule for each day, which is useful if your audience behavior varies during the week. After setting your daily and weekly schedule, double-check the dates and times to ensure everything aligns with your campaign goals. Then save your changes. Once saved, your Zeely ads will run automatically based on the schedule you've set, freeing you from the need to start or stop campaigns manually. You can always return to adjust the schedule or pause campaigns if needed. If you notice anything that seems off or unclear, please let me know in the comments. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.